Tama ba? Oo. Na trillion budget. Hindi mo pwedeng taasan yon. You can only move things around but you can never change it. So, siguradong may babawasan. So, tingnan na lang natin kung saan. Basta we stand by our committee report. Di ba? Gusto mo magpaya? Parang akap.
Balik ko lang po sa OVP budget, ma'am. Ma'am, para sa transparency, pwede bang malaman sino-sinong senators yung nag-insist na dagdagan ng budget? At nagkabotohan po ba?
Basta we had a mutual agreement that I was already going to present the findings, the committee report, and we're going to vote on it, di ba? On second and third reading. So pagkatapos ko present ang argument, may mga nag-object, may mga nag-suggest, but at the end of the day, we all agreed